Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to show you guys how I diffuse my hair. This video has been requested by one of you guys, so voila, here I am giving you what you asked for. Alright, so how is this video gonna work? First, I just got back from the gym, so I am going to go to the shower, cleanse my hair. I am going to style my hair, and I will not put that in this video, but I will put it on my Instagram page. So if you want to see how I style my hair today, I invite you to go to my Instagram page and check it out. And then while you're there, you can follow me if you want. You don't have to, but if you want, you can do that. Then once my hair is styled, I am going to diffuse my hair. Before I start the process, I will come back in front of you guys and explain to you how I'm going to go about diffusing my hair. Okay, so with no further ado, I am going to get ready and I will see you guys in legit 1 second. Alright you guys, I am all set and done. I have styled my hair. Today I used the Jessicals product. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, non-stop. My hair is just loving them. So, you know, spiralushes and rockin' ringlets are the way to go for me in August so far. Alright, so now I'm going to talk to you guys about my diffusing technique. It's been inspired by two different curly girl on YouTube. The first one is Aisha Malik. I will link her channel in the description box below. She is in beautiful curly girl that has a great channel that talks a lot about hair and other things. I don't follow her 100% like that, but I've seen her video about how she diffused her hair, and that was like years ago. But she has a very specific technique where she lays her hair on her bed and she diffuses it, and then so the fact that her hair is resting like this on the bed, where she puts a towel, of course, the fact that it's resting, it really allows the curl to get its definition and the curl is not disrupt at all. So I really like this idea of resting my hair and allowing it to clump together and to just keep its curl definition without going like this all the time with the diffuser. Two things that bothers me with this technique. She's laying on her bed and apparently it's not super comfortable, and the other thing is that it takes a long time. Okay, now the other girl who kind of inspired me to diffuse my hair the way I'm doing it today is Mel. Her channel is called Maze by Mel, I think. Again, I will link it in the description box below. The way she and her sister are diffusing their hair is that they will go around. Instead of doing this movement of up and down, she would go around and then flip her hair and then go around and then flip her hair and then go around, which is so smart because really when you think about it, especially with fine hair, the more movement you do while your hair is wet, the more frizz you're gonna have, the more your curls are gonna be, you know, they're not going to stay together, or you're going to lose the definition. So I really like this idea of, like, instead of doing this movement of up and down, kind of like go around your hair like this. So I combine both of those techniques. I find a way to allow my hair to be clumped together and rested on a towel by putting it on the counter table where the sink is in my bathroom, which is at a level that's very comfortable for me to diffuse my hair, and I diffuse it the way Mel diffuse it, which is by going around like this and not really disrupting the curl. It does take a little bit longer to dry, but the result is a lot more defined and a lot more put together. Okay, so with no further ado, let's go to my bathroom. I will do my best to show you guys how I do it. It's gonna be a little challenge for me because my bathroom is kind of small and I kind of need a little distance for me to be able to show you properly, but we'll make it work. So let's go to my bathroom. Let me show you how I do my thing, and then once I'm done, we'll come back and talk about it. All right, let's go. Alright, so first I set up my space by placing my microfiber towel on top of my countertop. Then I position my hair on that towel and I start diffusing.
in the beginning, I like to concentrate the diffusing on my roots, make sure that all the hair that is close to my scalp is drying first. So I'm going to do one side and then I'm going to switch to the other side. My goal is to make sure that my hair is resting on the towel at all times so that the curls stay clumped up together. There you can see that I am really moving my diffuser around my hair, and I'm not really disrupting my hair that much. Once my hair is mostly dry and it's hardened by the cast, I lift it up from the towel and I try to get the rest of the humidity out as much as possible. That's when you'll see me doing the up and down movement, but I really try to do it as little as possible. And then voila, my hair is about 90% dry. I have a nice cast and I'm pretty much done.
Alright you guys, I am done diffusing my hair. My hair is, I want to say, 90% dry. There's a nice cast all over my hair right now, so it still looks kind of wet, but really it's just the gel cast that is doing its job. Now I have two options in front of me. It's either I leave the cast and I go about my day, and throughout the day the cast will lose its cast I guess, and my hair will start to puff out a little bit more. Or I can break the cast right now and start to shake my hair, shake my roots, and within the next half hour I'll have like a completely fluffed up, fuller head of curls. What I want to do right now is break that cast because it's pretty, but I like volume. I like when my curls are free. And voila, so I am shaking the roots and then scrunching my hair to kind of break the cast gently, and again keeping, you know, the curls kind of like together. So I'm gonna do one side and not the other so you can see the difference. Alright, so this is how it looks like once I am done fluffing my hair and breaking the cast. And that's the side where the cast is not, it's not gone, the cast is still there. So it kind of look, you know, wet a little bit, but it's not. It's all 100% the cast. Okay, so now I am going to do the same thing on the other side because, voila, I want to look half done. Et voila, all done. Ah, much better. Bon bah voilà my loves, This is the final result after my hair has been broken out of its cast and set free. Okay, so like I said, this is the result, what, 10-15 minutes after I was done diffusing my hair. So my hair looks really nice and defined and hydrated. Throughout the day though, my hair is gonna lose the hydration, and then I'm gonna have more and more volume, and I'm gonna lose some of my definition, which is absolutely normal. There's nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you get that Instagram photo before the end of the day, and then you're all good to go. Talking about Instagram, y'all, don't forget to go and check out my Instagram to see how I styled my hair today with the Jessica products. What else can I say about this? Okay, so here's what I really like. I like how my curls are all, the ends of my curls are really bouncy. This is what you get when you rest your hair on that towel, on that countertop, on your bed, wherever it's more comfortable for you. You get that bouncy curl all the way down to the ends of your hair, and this is a sign of healthy curly hair when you know that that curl is curling up all the way to the end. So that's a, you know, that's a plus, especially when you have damaged hair. Usually the strands of hair starts to go straight towards the end. Try this technique and see if it makes a difference. I'm sure it will help in getting some curl definition. Now if your hair is too damaged, your hair is too damaged, and usually the strands of hair that you see that are poking out straight needs to be cut off to allow your natural curls to be. This is the most comfortable, well, okay, no wait, I have something to tell you guys. For this video I had to face the camera so you guys could see what I was doing, so therefore I don't look very comfortable when I'm doing this because I had to adapt to where the camera was. Usually I would be facing my mirror, so I will be doing this like that, but for the video I had to turn like this and do it like that. So it doesn't look like I'm super comfortable, but it's not how I usually do it. Usually I face forward, and then I have enough space to do what I need to do. So I would say find a place that's comfortable for you to do what you have to do. For me, I thought that the bathroom, that counter table sink situation was the best. Some people might be more comfortable putting a towel on top of, I don't know, their bed or their toilet seat or whatever works for you. It doesn't matter, as long as you get into a position where you can rest your hair like this and then do your diffusing. It's actually last week's video where I was showing you deep conditioning versus regular conditioning, which I will link right there. I think. Well, since this video I've been parting my hair in the middle, which I have not done in a long time, ever. No, not ever, but in a very, very long time. And to be honest, I am kind of digging this style. Yeah, I like it. So that's that, but nothing stops you from parting your hair on the side. I actually was parting my hair on the side until last week, so you know, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. So let me show you the back so you see, so you have a view from the back. Ooh. Voila, that's it. I think I told you guys everything I needed to tell you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try, if you did try, how did it work for you, and then that's it. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.